Getting caught is probably one of the worst things that can happen to you, especially if you're selling at school. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys exactly how to not get caught, how to avoid getting caught, how to be low key, how to deal with snitches, what to do if you got caught, and just everything to do with getting caught. So let's get to it. All right, so number one, how to not get caught. So first thing, you gotta be low key, bro. You can't just have your snacks, put them on the floor, be all willy-nilly, be in the middle of the open. Like, no, bro, you gotta know where people are at. So your first tip, you gotta make sure you're taking precautions. You can't just be, oh, let me go to the middle of school. Yes, there might be most people there, but yes, there's also like more security or teachers or whoever else is out there, your principals, whatever. So you got to be conscious of what you're doing yourself. So have the duffel bag, put the clothes on top. If you guys haven't seen how I pack my bag, then go watch it. It's going to be linked up in the car. Put the clothes, put other stuff, and be low key. That's the thing, you got to be low key. The teachers get us in trouble for it. They treat it like we're selling like drugs or something. No, bro, we're selling snacks. It's a side hustle. We're a business trying to make some money. So they treat it like that, we got to do it like that. We got to do what we got to do to eat. You feel me? So step one is to be conscious about yourself. Step two, be cautious of your surroundings. So this is the part where you got to like be a little more like on alert, because the first part is worrying about you. Make sure you're not doing like no dumb stuff. The second part is you got to make sure you know like, oh, where are the security at? Where are the teachers at? Where are the principals? All of that stuff. Where are the little wannabe cholitos that might jump you for snacks because they don't want to pay? Don't even get it twisted. I was cool with them. They was cool with me. I never had like anybody jump me for snacks. I did have people steal, but I was still cool with everybody. But like sometimes they may press you, and if that happens, that happens. There's really nothing you can do about it. Just avoid that area. If you know where they hang out, avoid that area. But on the other hand, they can make it the most bad. So you got to know like these people. You got to know the situations. Test out like certain things just to see where you can make the most amount of bread. But so you got to like be on the lookout for your teachers, your principals, and anybody else that can shut you down, because that's the worst thing that can happen. They're gonna catch you and you can't sell anymore. They're gonna be on high alert of you, because they're gonna be like, oh, he was selling. Let's keep an extra eye out on him. You won't blend in anymore with the crowd. Every time they see you, they're gonna be like, oh yeah, something might be off. So that's why you gotta avoid getting caught no matter what. So let me give you an example. So I used to sell, you guys see in my videos, I sold like on this little concrete like area. I put the bag down either on the floor or right on like the seat, and it was hidden. The wall was hidden over me. Reach down, pick up the snack, and the teachers wouldn't see me, even if they were looking my way. Sometimes they were looking my way, and I was just chilling back like this. I was like, just low key, being low key with it, like I said in the first point. Principals were over here, and there wasn't more principals like a little over there. So I was like in the middle. I was like in their blind spot. That's what you gotta get, their blind spots. My school had cameras too. I don't know how to avoid the cameras. If anything, be low key like about the cameras. Don't like look directly at them. Like then they're gonna be like, oh, why does he just keep staring at the cameras? Then you're just gonna be more suspicious to yourself. You feel me? So I was like in the blind spot of the teachers, but on like the side of me, there was like this little area where there wasn't like a wall to block, and like kids would go and sell there. I didn't care because they were trying to take my competition because they saw me doing good, so they try to come steal my customers. So I was like, all right, bro, do what you want to do. They would sell there. Principal's like right there in front of them, so they see him. They'd be like, hey, bro, come with me. They pick him up, they catch him, and then they couldn't sell anymore, or they just quit. You gotta be low key. You gotta know the teachers, where they're at, and their blind spots. Take advantage of that. All right, so here's my third tip on how to not get caught. Don't overdo it. Bro, there's so many people that just overdo it. Like these guys, they be like, oh, bro, I'll be making 230 a day. I'm like, dang, like, how do you be doing that? They be like, oh, I take 2 big old duffel bags and like 2 extra backpacks. I'm like, bro, what? Like, how do you not get caught? They're like, oh, no, bro, I haven't yet. I really don't know what happens. They probably do end up getting caught, but I mean, I don't know. Let's just say I was making 70 to 110 something a day. The most I ever made was probably like 250. If you can only take a little bag, then you can only take a little bag. It don't matter if you're making like 20 bucks, 30 bucks, 10 bucks. It don't matter. You're making something during school. You're still maximizing your time. You guys gotta think of it like that. So how do you deal with that? So like, to be honest, there isn't really nothing you could do other than just being cool. Like say what's up to everybody, dab everybody up. Bro, me dab every single buddy up. I don't even know their name sometimes, and that's like a fault on my part, because you got to know all of your customers' names. I was cool with the quiet kids. I was cool with the emo girl. I was cool with the football players. I was cool with the soccer players, tennis, golf, basketball, the girls with pink hair, the cholos, and even the special ed kids. They were cool, bro, and sometimes they would buy. I always dab them. I'm like, hey, bro, what's up? Give them a fist bump, dap up. That's all you got to do. Just be cool with everybody, bro. Like, have a smile on your face. Don't be like, oh, school again. Bro, I was excited to go to school. I wasn't excited, but I look forward to it. Like other people are like, oh, school again, and they like wouldn't try. They'd be sleeping class. Like, bro, lock in. So that's like how you could like in turn reduce snitches. But I mean, if someone's gonna snitch, they're gonna snitch. So that's why you gotta be cool with everybody, especially the people. Bro, I didn't even mention it. You gotta be cool with the staff. Every single morning I go to school, there's always the same lady in front of the gate, just standing there. I'd always be like, morning. Like first few times she didn't say it back, but after like the school year went on, sometimes she'd say it even before me. Like when I was looking down, I was distracted, like fixing my backpack because I just got out the car, and she'd be like, oh, morning. Like, she looked forward to it, and she recognized me. I'm sure she seen me selling, but she didn't care because she was cool with me, and I was cool with her. The principal, me and the principal, Loki, he was locked in. I was cool with all of them. Now, how do you deal with people that threaten you? Hey, bro, give me something for free. I'm gonna go tell the principal right there. Like, bro, I hate those type of people, bro. I hate snitches too, but those people, I hate them more. They're trying to blackmail you. Those people, you don't want them around. You don't even want them. I had some dude, he said he was my boy. I'm like, bro, like, who are you, bro? Like, yeah, I was cool with him, have him up, say what's up, but like, like we not close like that. Like, he would be like, oh, bro, come on, we're friends, bro, slime me something. I'm like, bro, like, what? Friends will want to support each other, you feel me? If you're my friend and you want to support me, you want to see me win, you want to see me grow, you're not my friend, bro. We cool? We're not friends. And that's something you guys gotta apply to life as well. I'm giving y'all free game, how to make money, how to deal with life, how to deal with all these haters. Y'all gotta get the bag and run it up for real. And remember who taught you, remember who put you on. These are my only videos. I'm not gonna only be making selling videos. I'm making bread on the side. And if you guys want to see what I'm making bread, then let me know in the comments down below. Put bread, and I got y'all. So how do you deal with people that threaten you to give you something for free, but they're gonna go snitch? Honestly, me, I would just look them in their face. I'd be like, with the most blank stare, just look at them like, or I'd even say, all right, go tell them that. And they'd be like, all right, they wouldn't go tell. It's all a lie. It's a bluff. You gotta call their bluff. If they do snitch on you, then my fault, it didn't work. Most of the time, they just either don't got money and they're trying to get something for free. To deal with those people, you just gotta like look them in their face and be like, nah, bro, I can't. And or say something like, bro, you really gonna do that? Like, for real? Like, just like make them feel bad about it, make them think it. Because most of the time, they really won't do it. So you gotta call their bluff. Just be like, bro, look at them dead in their eyes. I'm telling you right now, look at them dead in their eyes, just with the most blank, straight face you've ever made. And trust me, they're gonna get so uncomfortable, or they're gonna be like, they're just gonna walk away. But still deal with the other customers. I would just deal with my other customers. Like, be like, oh, you want something? I bet. You want some? And then they still be, I'm like, what's up, bro? And just be staring at me, bro. It was so funny, bro. So that's how you not get caught. Getting caught is one of the worst things that can happen. And if you guys get caught and you need like special assistance, you're in a special situation, then DM me Instagram. I'll send you a voice note completely for free. All you gotta do is drop me a follow. But that's all. Peace.